Hi everyone, and welcome to the ProcessCon 21. And we're looking at adapting to changing market conditions with process digitization. My name is Frank Mureithi, a business process digitization manager at the Cooperative Bank of Kenya. I will start with a preamble, which is represented on the overview. And I'll give the bank's vision, which is to be the dominant bank in Kenya and the region, riding on the unique cooperative model to provide innovative financial solutions, which will give a distinctive customer experience. I'll also mention that last year, Cooperative Bank of Kenya was named the 2020 Bank of the Year in Kenya in the FT Banker 2020 Awards run by the Financial Times of London. I will give some key numbers, and these numbers are as at September 2020. The bank has an asset base of 510.9 billion Kenya shillings, close to 9 million account holders, 4,497 members of staff, 159 branches, 464 SACCO front office sales branch network, 17,000 agents, over 20,000 diaspora banking customers all over the world, and 583 ATMs. Now, what was the problem? We realized that most of the bank's processes were manual and some semi-automated, where systems were used to carry out some tasks while other tasks are executed off the system. A number of these tasks were manual with a lot of paper-based processes, which were found to be slow, inefficient, unreliable, and redundant. Other issues experienced included lack of accurate process metrics, manual processes with physical movement of paper, high error rates, which caused quite a high rate of unnecessary handoffs, collaboration challenges due to lack of visibility and tracking, challenge of navigating between multiple systems and applications, and migration of workflows from legacy systems, which were approaching end of life. The solution was focused on 4 major areas. One of them was efficiency. And this is digitization to reduce manual efforts and eliminate unnecessary handoffs across various cross-functional teams. Achieve agility to enable the bank change quickly when new opportunities arose and reduce the time to market. Visibility across end-to-end processes to enhance effectiveness and improve accountability. And finally, flexibility through ease of customization for adoption of process changes and enhancements. This enabled the creation and realization of value. And this value is in form of digitization of paper-intensive processes to paperless processes with online input and output documents, improved collaboration through case notes, auto-generated email notifications, multiple backend systems integration on a single platform, enhanced KYC and AML checks, data accuracy with inbuilt controls and validations, end-to-end process status visibility, accurate service level agreements and key performance indicators. And finally, elimination of non-value-add tasks. So next, we look at the results. Significant cost savings have been achieved, which has also reduced the cost-to-income ratio for the bank. We've recorded a significant improvement in turnaround time of serving both the internal and external customers. Increased productivity has been noted among staff. Been able to reduce the error rates and reworks. Also reduce the risk exposure. And as a result, we've had improved audit ratings. In terms of integrations, we've achieved the following integrations between other systems. One being the core banking system, which has enabled us be able to post transactions and fetch details from the core banking system. Electronic document management system, which we're using for enterprise content management. Integrated population registration system, IPRS, which plays a major part in the Know Your Customer and anti-money laundering details verification. Kenya Revenue Authority, KRA, to verify the tax details for when onboarding our customers. And finally, the Active Directory to manage the users and create automated email notifications, among others. Some of the key processes implemented within the last 2 years include personal account opening process, which has enabled a digital onboarding of new customers, as well as created a platform for opening additional accounts for existing customers. We've also deployed the micro, small, and medium enterprises loan origination process, which has enabled a seamless process from loan application all the way up to loan disbursement. We've also deployed a process to support outgoing payments locally through RTGS and internationally through SWIFT. We've also been able to deploy a digital document approval process, which has enabled approval of documents in real time across various users and departments within the bank. These are just some of the processes out of a total of 35 processes which have been digitized. And at the moment, we have 11 ongoing processes which are planned to be deployed before the end of this quarter. So I'd like to thank you for attending the ProcessCon 21. And I hope that you'll enjoy the rest of the presentations. Thank you very much.